We're all busy, we all want to succeed, and it's so important in life. We're human beings who want to achieve. We want to improve, we want to strive, we want to be better. And thus we take business relationships, personal relationships, health relationships, family relationships, philanthropic relationships, what's yours, name it, into our hands so we can grow, be better, strive to achieve. And with all that, sometimes, most of the time, almost all the time, we forget to prioritize the number one thing. We forget to start with us. My friends, making a difference in the world, thus for others, including our business and our families, does not start by helping our families. It starts by helping yourself. You've heard the expression, filling your cup so you can give your best, your full cup to your business and others. Imagine when we focus, I'm not an exception, we focus so much of our time, sometimes feels like even at night. Anyone who writes late emails or late, let me do real quick this thing and that thing, and then the time gets away. Then we work all day long, and then by the end of the day, oh man, I have to put fitness in, and I forgot to eat. No, really, I didn't forget to eat. I just did not take time to eat. And then it's easier to grab something fast in the evening, maybe even fast food, so I don't have to make another decision what to eat. Anyone have ever been asked the question, what's for dinner? And you're like, you're kidding me. Another decision I have to make. And even like going to the movie or doing something on the weekend. Anyone here? You do not want to make another decision. And when we don't prioritize ourselves in the morning and throughout the day, for those busy ones, the evening for self-care, forget about it. And unfortunately, what happens to us is we feel guilty, we feel shame of not doing it. It's like a vicious cycle of being stuck, and I know I should be doing and I'm not, or I know I shouldn't be eating and shouldn't be sitting so long, and I'm already in aches and already in pain. And even worse, sometimes we look at others like, oh, here's this health coach, of course she's a fitness coach, she looks like that. I was one of these people looking at the fitness coach laughing, ha, to look like that you have to be a fitness coach. And we start judging others. That actually comes from judging ourselves, not doing the actions that we know are vital. We have to do them. Ladies and gentlemen, the number one thing is to take care of your world by taking care of yourself. Again, fill your cup to help the world. And maybe you've heard the expression of the mask. Anybody flies here? Of course everybody does nowadays. But put the oxygen mask on yourself first, and then help the world. So I hope you will look at the number one thing as the most important thing. Please, let's remember, self-care is not selfish. It's vital, it's necessary. How we implement our self-care, the methods are flexible. That's for all or none people. That's for people who let me take an hour to go to the gym and it doesn't ever happen. That was 3 months ago. The body needs movement and food and thinking, positive thinking, just like we've got to eat several times a day. I can't wait to go to the gym next week. We've got to move our body. We've got to feed our body with nutrition, with positive thinking every single moment and choice of the day, and it's not negotiable. And I want to leave you with a final thought. I recently had heard this expression and I really liked it. She said, you are not selfish when you take care of yourself. You're self-centered. The way I see it, I really align loving myself with loving the world. How I love myself, I center it and myself and spread the ripple effect in the world of wellness. So please remember to love the world through loving yourself with your daily non-negotiable wellness choices.